This came on the heels of a meeting of the Caribbean Shores Committee last night, in which they asked Anthony to continue to represent the party. And also today they released a press release saying that they did not accept the resignation. In light of all that, we thought it prudent to meet with Anthony to give him the opportunity to reconsider. We had a very frank discussion this morning, and we told Anthony that he's the best choice for Caribbean Shores, and he gave us his promise to reconsider. Late this evening, he called me to say that he had spoken to his family and friends and his supporters, and he had decided to stick by the decision to resign, for personal reasons. So that is the position right now, that Anthony has stuck by his decision to resign, so the party must move forward. We are, of course, disappointed by the decision of Anthony Marler. As I said, we thought him to be the best choice for Caribbean Shores, but we respect the decision, and we are happy that he will continue to serve the party and work with the party, and he has pledged that he will support the new PUP Sanadera for Caribbean Shores. So now the party must immediately begin the process of determining who the new Sanadera will be. This is a process that will be done in consultation with Anthony Marler and with the PUP Caribbean Shores Committee. We have to make sure we have a good person in there, because Caribbean Shores is a division that the party can win. We believe that the UDP Sanadera is beatable, that Anthony Marler would have beaten the UDP Sanadera. It's just a situation where the new person will come in, Anthony will support that person, the committee will support that person, and we'll move to victory.
Okay, are there any new faces you're looking at this point? There's very little time left.
I don't have a list for you right now, but as soon as those persons come forward, there is a procedure that has to be followed. As soon as those persons come forward, we'll let you know.